Hey guys, so I'm back. Just so right after I finished the stream, I came back to this keycap and to these two keys right here. I said that because of the keys, the tab on the key being blocked by the stabilizers, I'm not gonna take them out. Actually, I changed my mind and I just took this guy out, and I'll show you how you take the other one. So it turns out that this key wasn't that tightly secured, so you just take one of these little tiny jeweler's flathead, and you just pry it out from the a little bit from the bottom. So you may be hard to see from this end, but you know, just pry it. Just give it a little pry, and then go back to the top. Give it another. Give it a little leverage, and then go back to the bottom. And just pop, and out comes the switch. And it wasn't too bad. Now let's do the stabilizers too. So if you look at the plate, actually it has a cut out to accommodate the tab right here. So I think that's the reason why it wasn't as tight as I thought it would be. And to take out a stabilizer, you just have to take this little tab right here. Let me turn it a little bit. So squeeze this tab, and then just flip the stabilizer from below. So, yeah. So you can just do it in one motion, and it rotates, and you rotate it out. So once you have it at this like 45-degree angle, you just slide the thing together. They usually come out together very compliantly, and then you just pull the wire off out of the slot right there. If you want, you can clip the legs, but to be honest, I don't think there's a real need to do that, because if you look at the PCB, it looks like the stabilizers aren't really touching any area on the PCB that's important. So I think it's just save the step. You don't need to do that. Other than that, this is a good time to just squeeze in some of these whatever you want, like squeeze some of the loops in, smear some of that onto the wire right here, and overall just do some maintenance on it. But these are what they call a plate mounted stabilizers, so I don't know if there are many aftermarket options for it anyway. And it comes very well lubed on my Keychron K4. I don't know if the light comes in very okay. Oh, I should have done that like minutes ago. So yep, so as you can see, now you can just make some decisions whether you want to clip the legs, because if the leg does have that little spike. But I think I have enough keyboard tonight, so I won't be doing that tonight. Maybe in the future, but even then it's hard to say. Now, to put it back in, so after you do all that and you say you want to put it back in, so make sure you remember the orientation, right? So put the wire in and you slide it towards this end, and then you push it down and make sure it snaps, and that should be it. So I'm going to lube up these switches also, and then I'll install them back in. You just align the slot and the slot, and then just push it right back in. Alright, so hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and you'll see more of these videos of me destroying keyboards. Just subscribe and leave a like, and let me know how else I can help you. Alright, you have a good night.